าวตัดออกได้แล้วทีนี้นั้นช่วงงานแต่งนะคะที่พี่แค่ไปทำผมที่ร้านอ่ะก็แพงแล้วก็เลยคิดว่าถ้าตัดแค่ให้สั้นลงอ่ะตัดเองก็ได้แต่ถ้าไม่สวยจริงๆคุณชายบอกว่าตอนแรกคุณชายจะให้ไปตัดที่ร้านแหละแต่แนนอยากให้คุณชายลองก่อนนะคะโอเคค่ะตอนนี้ก็คือแนนไปอ่านวิธีนะก็คือแนนก็เลยทำแบบนี้ค่ะสำหรับคนที่ตัดผมเองแล้วก็ปล่อยยาวลงมาแล้วก็ไว้เท่านี้นะคะแล้วเดี๋ยวก็จะตัดออกนะคะแล้วเดี๋ยวมาดูกันว่าเป็นยังไง I'm ready ค่ะ yeah
Shall I sit down
anything ค่ะ
Okay so you want me to cut straight across
yeah
Sure
wish me luck
At the top
no down
Oh okay down
not
a little
top
bit
yeah
Here
yeah
Just cut
you just cut right away
It's gonna cut
yeah
it's way too thick
yeah just like have to
okay.
try hard like
Yeah I see,
make like this
Yeah I'll have to do it
maybe.
thinner yeah
Yeah.
Okay I see Like this yeah
yeah
Okay you ready
yeahดูคุณชายจับ
Oh my god it's hard work
คุณชาย
Oh my god you have so much hair
ผมหลุดไปแล้วค่ะทุกคน
Wow you have so much hair
I don't want to cut really what mama say
there we go
okay wait ที่รักค่ะ this is my throat
What
oh my goodness
Is it good
this is it should be like this ไม่ใช่ like this
It's not as
Maybe-
easy as it looks
maybe like this
These are not that sharp
okay try to
Make it look nice
yeah
Okay
make it like
Oh my god, it's actually not that easy, no.
yeah
Yeah?
Mm.
There you go, that's better.
yeah but it should look like yeah
Mm.
big
What's the problem?
come on let me
See,
try
look, you can cut your own hair.
I guess I can cut my own hair but I need help because I cannot see very well like this oh my goodness
It's
แต่ทุ
not,
กคนมัน
it's not
it's
easy.
very thick
Yeah,
really.
it's very thick. It's not easy to cut.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be like cutting, I don't know, something very soft like a spider's web. But it's not, it's actually hard work.
Oh dear
It's like cutting in a no one.
oh my gosh
That's better.
it is fine
I have no idea.
okay the point is that's when I pull it off
Yeah, it's gonna
it's
look
gonna
good.
be like
Yeah.
it should be like straight
Yeah.
and if it's not you like have to make it
Well,
straight
if it's
yeah
not, we'll have to go to the hair salon. I
yes
can't fix it.
you can
I
help
can't fix
yeah,
it.
yeah, I think you need
Huh?
where is the comb
What?
the หวีค่ะหวีผม yeah so ready
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it looks fine. I think.
how is it
I think it looks okay.
are you sure
Yeah.
yeah it's not bad but
This looks okay.
have to be like let's see okay maybe little by little
Actually, not that much.
yeah because it's in
Just
one go
Thick. It's probably-
or in one go yeah have to do like this
Hmm?
and make it like straight
Oh, okay. Yeah.
can you
Yeah.
okay
There
see
you go.
that too
What? That was good.
yeah but have to be little by little
Yeah, but it's straight now,
it's not all
isn't it?
okay this one see you have a little bit
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah, but how
this.
can you notice?
Yeah,
No one's gonna notice. No one's gonna say, "Oh, your hair's not
yeah but,
completely straight."
but when it like
That's straight.
no it's not
It is.
babe
Straight to me.
yeah look
Okay, yeah,
see?
that's not completely.
yeah excuse me I think so I will do this Oh, you went to this. ชิลา
You're quite good at it. I can help if you want. Shall I put your hair in the bin?
Yeah, maybe then.
Oh my god, look at it.
Look at
It's like
that.
that.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
Oh,
Can I do something with this?
what?
I don't know. I feel like I can do bobby hair. Look, ทุกคนดูดู
Screw.
Oh my god, I feel like I want to keep them. No.
In the bin.
No. My hair. Okay, fine.
Okay, that'll be £20 then, please.
What? ที่รักขอแนะนำที่รัก saving.
Yeah, I know. That's good.
But we will see when everything complete.
I think it will look fine.
Shani said at first everyone you should go hair dress
Yeah.
go to salon ใช่ไหมคะ
Yeah.
and then what's going on now
Well, price. and
Nan
so on.
wanna do this because on the wedding very expensive เนาะ
Yeah. Well, because you have long hair, they'll charge more money. Which is,
Okay. This look. Actually, I have a lot of hair. I cannot see myself.
Do you need me?
Yes.
What for?
I want you to try this. Okay, I will come back. 1, 2. Okay, you try one by one.
With the bigger or smaller?
Small.
Yes, you do the.
And here, do this
Yeah.
and cut. Yes or no? This with 2 hands. Oop. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but it's straight already.
What?
Yeah. Oh, careful. Look.
Okay, so that means that one passed. Okay, look at this one. This is one thick. Maybe have to. Wait. Okay, that.
This one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's not.
ไม่ใช่
Yeah, you do it, you do it.
Should I like this? Yeah. And should I use hand?
Yeah.
2 hands? Yeah.
Yeah.
How's it? You sure?
Well, I think it's okay.
ที่รักค่ะ
Well-
Oh, sorry. Look.
Yeah.
See? ไม่ใช่ค่ะไม่ใช่
But that's not bad.
Yeah. Okay, can you?
What?
One more time. Yeah. Down, down, down. And cut.
You sure?
Yes. Straight, like completely straight.
What, there?
No, see? Yes, it's like here, just here. See? The shoulder is
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
You just
yeah.
have to make. Now it's not good.
Well,
Wait,
make
wait.
it worse.
Okay, one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, down, down, down. This is not good. That means. Tung, tung, tung. Down, down, down. Okay. Cut, cut.
You sure?
That sounds. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure that's better.
Look. Wait.
It's worse. Sorry.
Wait. Oh dear.
I thought it was straight, but it wasn't.
Okay, look. See?
Yeah.
So you have to cut this.
Yeah, I understand. But... Okay, that good?
No, you can't just do like
yeah,
that.
hit it. Yeah?
This, yeah.
Yeah, I've got it. Oh, God. I slipped. Yeah.
จะรอดไหมทุกคน Oh dear. Okay, wait. This one clear. This one clear, I guess. Can you hold this for me?
This.
Thank you, yes.
Kevin. They're not that sharp actually.
I think it's fine, but just because we do thick hair.
Yeah. It's fine with my hair, wasn't it? Shall I go?
No. Now I'm not sure. Everything is not going right. Okay.
Why don't we just see what it looks like?
Yeah, but we have to make this good first, and we can see it. Okay, you ready? You think it's good now?
Yeah.
Can I check?
Yeah, but it looks fine like that.
Okay, ทุกคน I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
จ๊ะเอ๋
I think it's good.
Shall we say then should do this hair?
Yeah.
You can.
It's a new
Okay,
style.
I'll let it go, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Look
Yeah.
that.
What? Yeah.
Is it like look nice?
Yeah.
Are you sure? ที่รักค่ะ
I can't see,
Yeah.
can I? Yeah. Oh my god.
What does that mean? พี่รักค่ะ Okay, don't. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Well, let me see from the back.
Wait. I have to make it nice first.
Wow, it's so much hair.
Okay. How it's like? Wait, why are you quiet? What does that mean?
I think it's okay.
You think it's okay? Everyone,
I'll take a picture.
what does that mean?
I think it's okay, really.
Okay,
But,
so
yeah.
we're gonna stop at this end. Wow, wait, let me. It's fine, look.
Yeah?
Don't you think so? It's
Yeah.
like the layer.
Mm.
See? We are teamwork actually. High five. ก็ทุกคนคะเดี๋ยวแนนไปเช็คด้านหลังก่อนนะคะ I will check in the back first. It is really not okay, so ready to for them to go salon, yeah?
Well, we'll talk about that.
Okay. โอเคค่ะ ไปแล้วค่ะ บ๊ายบายเบ๊ค่ะ
Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบาย
I'll take a picture for you.